Welcome back. Shares of AMD are trading higher after reporting a top and bottom line beat for its quarter, with investors focusing on areas like growth in its AI chips business. Mackenzie Sagalos has more in today's Tech Check. Mac, the AMD trade is an interesting one versus NVIDIA.
It really is. We don't get the NVIDIA numbers for another 2 weeks, but for all the buzz around AMD's AI push, the actual payoff still isn't showing up in the numbers. Yes, the quarter was a beat and guidance was strong, but investors wanted proof that those big AI deals are starting to pay off. Even as shares reverse course to the upside, the street is left to contend with two big holes in the print: China and AI. On the earnings call, analysts pressed CEO Lisa Su on export restrictions, which AMD has said could cost them $1.5 billion in lost revenue this year. Once again, China-bound AI chips were not included in the results, though the CEO did say that they've now received some licenses for their Instinct series, and that revenue could start flowing. Now, that gives AMD an edge over NVIDIA, at least in China. NVIDIA's rival H20 chip is still stuck in approval limbo, as both firms face tougher restrictions from Beijing. Reuters now reporting that China is forcing state-backed data centers to use domestic AI chips and, in some cases, tear out foreign hardware that's already been installed. And all of this comes on top of AMD's splashy AI partnerships with Oracle, the U.S. government, and OpenAI in that chip and equity deal that helped double AMD's stock this year. But so far, that halo effect hasn't translated into stronger margins or revenue guidance, raising fresh doubts about how profitable those AI shipments will be once they actually arrive, Dom.